What's nice is you can just go straight through. I have a hose that I can just drop right down in there, and I can put all my cleaner solution right away with it. If for any reason you have a hose issue, this is really nice. You can simply pull this right out. You can just put this right up on a spigot. You can put this right over a faucet drain. So you really don't even need like a warehouse sink or a faucet really will do the trick. Just that clicks right on. So that's really nice. That's a nice upgrade from last time if you ever have an issue kind of with the hose. Yeah, I mean the drainage tube, super easy. You just really want to just flex that off and then take off your screw cap. Just make sure you got a good clearance, and then once you open that up, that's going to flow out really nice. So just super easy and convenient to drain it, which you want to make sure you get all that junk out of your gym after you've cleaned it all up. So for draining, I usually just bring it to my back door. I don't even need to take it all the way outside. You got a lot of extra length with this hose to work with. As I mentioned before, you got a nice good flexible spot here, so I'm going to go ahead and bend that. That's going to keep anything from draining out on me. And then I have essentially just an opening knob. And then pretty much once I'm ready to go and free and clear, ready to release it, here comes your grunge from your gym floor. Look at that. That just shows you how much, all the hair it already even picked up as well. That's pretty awesome.